keeping his rackets running. Construction sites.
Wasn't that shut down when he was arrested?
No, it's one of his legitimate businesses. Multiple investors. We can't act without cause.
But now you've got that, right?
That's why I'm hoping you can keep an eye on the locations. Tell me if you see anything suspicious.
You got it. I'll be your nosy neighborhood Spider-Man. I'm at a FISK construction site, and there's a lot of guys here who aren't exactly constructing.
What are they doing?
I want to go find out.
Just got a text from Doc. Looks like he attached an idea for a Spidey gadget. Man, does he ever stop inventing? Wow, this looks like it could work. Awesome. Doc would be proud.
I can't believe Spider-Man finally won. It ain't over till it's over. I thought it was. Stand up.
That time.
Fight your tongue. That's all we need. An army of Spider-Man technicians. You guys are new here. I know let me give you rule number one. You do not want to be late with a shipment. Ever. Boss runs a tight ship. He does not like screws. We had this guy once. He decided to stop off for a drink on the way to... What's that?
Sleep it off.
Hey, wake up! Damn it! If anyone's there, show yourself! Oh no. He's here!
Literally didn't see that coming.
Now I can... I should have been his dental technician. Feet are killing me. Gotta fight it in line. Anyone's there? Shh. I'll shut your mouth. Back down here! Boss is sick and tired of you. Such a shot. Spider-Man.
Uh-oh, more of them.
Don't let him get you airborne!
Spider-Man, turns out we've busted 4 illegal firearms dealers within a 3-block radius of that site.
Gun running. Let's see what I can do to cut down the supply.
I'm in an ass-kicking move! Lucky shot. He's mine! You're mine!
Dang, looks like they called their buddies.
So am I. Get down here and fight dead!
Oh, hey, more guys. Welcome to the party. House rules. Leave your shoes at the door. Unless you're not wearing socks, in which case, buy some socks already.
Here comes the man!
Oh, anyone want to surrender? No?
We got Davey! Stop playing around! This is for the ball!
Shut your mouth. Place is locked down, Captain. Actually, webbed down.
And someone finally reported shots fired, so I've got officers inbound. Good work.